What's up, everybody? Welcome back to section 7, video 1. We're going to talk about how to test your skill using Voiceflow. So what we're going to do is you're going to enter your Voiceflow project and then click test next to Canvas. So here's what that looks like. You go into your Voiceflow project. As you can see here, I have a project with 3 flows: a home and garden flow, a holidays flow, and a recipes flow. I have a welcome card with the welcome message and then a choice block here. So what I'm mainly going to want to test is I've got an audio welcome message that I need to play when the skill's invoked. I'm going to play that audio message for you right now.
Hi, I'm Carmen. I'd love to help you garden and entertain. Get started by saying home and garden, holidays, or recipes.
When I say home and garden, which is the first choice, I need it to take me into the home and garden flow. And then once we get into the home and garden flow, you can see that there is a home and garden welcome audio message that we're going to need to play. And then a choice block, and I'm going to say gardening. And then it's going to take me to another garden welcome message. Then it's going to take me down the gardening path. So if I say fern care, then there's going to be another audio message that plays. Then there's the watch or listen option that's going to take me to a video or an audio. Now, I'll just tell you this, that when you're testing the playing of video in Voiceflow on an Alexa skill, it's not going to play. So as long as it takes me to the path and then ends, I'll know that it's going to be working. So we're going to test these paths. We're going to test the fact that the audio message needs to play in the welcome message. And then another audio message needs to play for home and garden. And then another audio message needs to play for getting more specific within home and garden, and then choosing the content from there. And the purpose for the audio message is to replace Alexa's voice. So some of you might be testing your speak blocks with the Alexa voice, and I'm testing it with an audio message. So what I'm going to do, unplug my microphone, and you're going to actually hear the test as I go through it here in a minute. So like I said earlier, we're going to go to test, and then we're going to click the blue start test button, and it's going to go like this.
Hi, I'm Carmen. I'd love to help you garden and entertain. Get started by saying home and garden, holidays, or recipes. Great. Let's get more specific. Please say either gardening, home, planters, or landscaping. I'm excited to share all my tips and tricks. Say things like fern care, perennials, or cold weather plants. Good choice. If you're on an Echo Show or device with a screen, say watch. If you're not, say listen. Coming right up.
How's everyone doing today? I'm Carmen with Carmen Johnston Gardens, and I've got Lainey with Thunderwood Farms. We are in Georgia, and we're talking about the 5.
Get the gist of the test, and you can see that it worked. It worked perfectly. It played the audio content perfectly, and it even got to the watch listen perfectly. So that is how to run a test within Voiceflow. And you can see that I was actually typing in the options. Voiceflow will also let you click the options if you'd rather click, or you can use the microphone. Okay, this has been how to use Voiceflow's testing tool.